You won't see this one coming. An impressive dish that's actually really easy to make.
Hello! Today we're making an Isa's Express recipe that everyone always loves, some stuffed eggs au gratin. It's that simple, that easy, and
just like that.
That quick.
The first thing we do is boil some eggs. You know, hot water, eggs in, give them a little spin, and after 10 or 12 minutes, you take them out. You peel them and cut them in half, slicing so that you have the yolk on one side and the egg white split in two on the other. To the yolks, we're going to add a small can of tuna. It can be packed in oil or in water, but make sure to drain all the liquid. We're also going to add 2 tablespoons or 2 packets of mayonnaise, however you call it. Once you have it, you're going to mash it with a fork until you get a more or less homogeneous paste. And with this paste, we're going to fill the egg white halves just like that. We're going to use a small coffee spoon and start distributing it. First, I put a teaspoon in each one of them, and then I adjust with whatever is left over so they all end up with more or less the same amount of filling. And then a little bit of grated cheese, in my case mozzarella, which I think tastes the best, but you can always use whichever one you prefer. And now it's time to broil. That is at least 200 degrees Celsius in the oven, which is about 395 Fahrenheit at least. And we place it on a high rack in the oven with heat coming from above. And once the cheese is golden brown, take it out and enjoy. It's ready.
It's that simple.
It's that quick and easy. Since they're freshly made, I'm going to use a spoon or some tongs to place them so I don't burn my fingers. And I'm going to put them on a small plate, perfect for sharing, to place in the center of the table so everyone can help themselves to whatever they want. A very easy and attractive appetizer or tapa that you can even serve with some sauces. How do you plan to make it? Do you have any ideas or tricks in mind? I'm sure you do. Let me know in the comments.
Look at the little dish you prepared for me in no time.
With that signature golden gratin color that always looks delicious, thank you.
And some stuffed eggs.
Incredible.
Underneath. Look. Do you want to grab one? Honestly, I don't. I want to eat them all. Thank you. Thank you. There are times when it surprises you, and you might ask yourself, why do I say that? Well, because with simple ingredients and recipes that require hardly any work, you can make really delicious things. And since I'm here, what's your signature recipe that everyone thinks takes more work than it actually does? Tell me about it so we can all learn together.